tape off, but I just wanted to give you a sense for what you get when you unbox it.
We are now cutting up our shapes and sizes, and we are now organizing them by shapes
And sizes.
and sizes.
We've placed all of the shapes, not all of them, but we've got a good base for what we want to do. We started with some of the larger ones. We have a few more on the bed that we're going to fill in. But I always like to get a little bit of an idea of what we're going to do first. Then we can start applying what we have once we like that placement. And then at the end, we just come in with our smaller pieces and fill in at the top and the sides and maybe layer where there might be some more holes. A lot of these shapes have straight edges. So what I've done here is I took one and I just butted up to the corner of the ceiling where the ceiling and the wall meet. And then I'm gonna be doing that on this side as well. That just gives the look that it's more of a mural rather than just decals placed randomly in the middle of the wall. It's gonna give you more of that wallpaper feel.
Here's the final look of the shapes and sizes installed behind the bed. Bigger pieces on the wall first. It's easier to fill in with the smaller pieces. Lots of purples and plums, and it just turned out amazing.